Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is going to my first video as a in Unity game development. So in these classes, in these sessions, I will tell you about Unity like from the scratch. I will start from the scratch, like how to download, to how to create a game. Okay, completely create a game. Okay, fine. So first of all, to download, to download the Unity, you need to go to the Chrome and yes, search for Unity Archive. Okay, just Unity Archive. So you can go there and you can download the Unity. So you can download the Unity Hub and you can download it to the Unity Hub. You click, it will automatically open into the Unity Hub. So first you need you to download something. You need a Unity Hub, right? You need Unity Hub. So you can download Unity Hub. Download Unity Hub. Okay, you can download Unity Hub from here, and after that you can download a version you want from here, or you can simply open the Unity Hub itself. Okay, you can open the Unity Hub itself and you can download the versions that are available in the Unity Hub. Okay, if you don't like the versions that are available in the Unity Hub, you can download from the Unity Archive. Just click it and it will automatically open in the Unity Hub. Okay, so and I have these two versions, so don't need to download. So after that, so once you are downloaded the Unity, just go to the projects and just create new project. Okay, so this is for creating a new project. Here you can select the templates, like if you want a 2D game, then you should create a 2D template, or if you want a 3D game, you should create a 3D template. And this is HDRP and URP, these are the SRPs, like scriptable render pipelines. And yes, we will talk about these later. And for this is 3D. I will take a 3D template and you should name it whatever the name you want. You should name to the project and should give the location and you should create it. Okay, if you click on create, it will create a project, and I have created a project and I have opened the project. Fine. So this is a Unity interface. Okay, this is what you see when the Unity is opened finally. Okay, it takes time to open the project. Don't worry, it will open. Okay, after some time. And now this is the Unity. This is a whole Unity interface. In this Unity interface, I want you to know about the every window here. Okay, first of all, let me tell you one thing. This is my layout. Okay, this is the default layout. So I recommend default layout because default layout is very simple to use. It is not clumsy and all. But for if you go to the 2x3 and all, it will be difficult for you to use. If you are already using Unity in some other layout, you can use the layout. Okay, so layout is nothing but it is how the arrangement of the these panels looks. Okay, so 2x3 will look like something else, and 4 split will look something like this. Okay, so default is a better one. I choose that, and I recommend you to use the default if you are a beginner. Okay, and after that, so here uh, we have them 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. Okay, 6 windows. We have 6 windows. These are the primary or important elements in the Unity, most important elements in the Unity 3D engine. So here scene, game, hierarchy, inspector, console, project is the basic windows. Okay, you can say, right, you can say it is a these are the basic windows. So with the what are these, so what are the functions we do with this, so I will tell you that. So before that, there is two things here. One is a menu bar. In the menu bar you can see the file, edit, assets, game object. All these things I will explain in another video, but I'm just saying here about the interface. So this is just a menu bar, and here we have the toolbar. In the toolbar we will be having the movement gizmo, rotate gizmo and all. So I will explain about you about these things to you after this class. Okay, not in this class, this is just for the interface, and I will just talk about the windows. So coming to the windows, first window. So in the Unity interface, this is the first window you will see, and in the focus this will be in the middle, right? So what is this? This is the scene window. Okay, scene window is nothing but like when you create something, when you are creating a game, or when you took a primitive object like a box or sphere, you can that will you can look it here. Okay, that will import it to here, right? So if you see, there is a main camera, you can see here the main camera. There is a directional light, so you can see the direction light here, right? If I take another sorry, not empty you can't see. So if I take another 3D object, it will appear here. So whatever the objects that are in the game, okay, not in the project. So objects that are in the game, okay, what are the assets, text, canvas, whatever it may be, which are available in the game, that are available in the scene automatically. Okay, you can see everything in the game in the scene. And coming to the game window or game panel, whatever you can call it, whatever you like. So game panel is for testing the game. Okay, after you creating the game in the scene, if you test how it play, how the players running, you should test it, right? Before building the game, you should test it, right? So for that purpose, we have the game window. And here we have the hierarchy. In what is the purpose of hierarchy means, see, someone, if there is anyone who is watching my Blender videos along these Unity videos, or if there is anybody watching this video who is already worked with a 3D software, you will definitely know that 3D softwares contain an outliner, right? So there is an outliner in the 3D designing software. So this is just an outliner, but the name is different. So hierarchy is nothing but all the objects which are present in the scene window are available here. Okay, all the objects which are available in the scene window will be listed out here, and you can select those from here. Okay, and here there is an inspector. When I select an object, the inspector is changing, right? There are some changes in the inspector. Okay, so inspector is nothing but the window which contains all the properties which are available in the hierarchy. Okay, objects. Okay, so there is a cube has some properties. You can see the properties in the inspector. So it contains all the properties of the objects which are available in the hierarchy. Okay, all the properties of the cube, all the properties of the other objects which are available in the hierarchy, you can see here. You can tweak it, you can change it. Okay, you can change the x, you can change the y here, transform. Okay, you can change the mesh renderer, anything you can do. Okay, right, now you get an idea, right? So scene window means everything which are present in the game you can see in the scene window. Okay, and game window means it will help you to test the game. Okay, play and test the game. And after that, hierarchy means everything that is available in the scene you can see here. It is listed out here in the hierarchy. Okay, everything in the scene window you can see here in the hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy holds the objects, everything that are present in the scene. Okay, that is a simple definition. And after that, there is an inspector, and inspector is nothing but the window which holds the properties of an object which is available in the hierarchy of every object. Okay, properties of every objects that are present in the hierarchy. Okay, or the scene, you can say simply, right? So, and here we have the project panel. So our project window, this is a very important window. Project window is which holds everything in the project itself. Okay, this is a scene. Okay, in the scene we can see only the things in the game, but in the project, everything in the Unity hub, you can see in the Unity hub we have created a project, right? We have created a project, right? This is the I have created same project in the same way. So this is the whole project. This is not just a game, this is the whole Unity project. So everything that is like data, metadata, whatever it may be, assets, 3D, 2D, all those things you import from the from outside Unity, or everything that is that contains itself in the Unity project. When you create a Unity project, will be available in the project. Okay, so all the things, all the data available in the whole project, not in the game, in the whole project. Okay, those are hold present in the project. Okay, project can hold the data of the game project, whole game project. And console is nothing but I think every developer will know about the console is nothing but a window which will help you to debug. Okay, or solve the problems. If there is an error in code, if there is an error in the window or anything, if there is an error in the or warning in the program you have written in the C#, you can see here and you can sort it out. Okay, so that is what console is. Okay, so these are the main important components of the Unity 3D interface. Okay, so here on the top of that we have the play button, pause button and all. So if you play, the game will play. See, application is reloading and it will play the game. See, and I can pause, I can forward, like that. Okay, and now here, see, if I select this one, see in the tools, if I select this one, movement, I can see the movement gizmo, and this one rotation gizmo, and this one is a scaling gizmo, and this one is a pan. Okay, so how to do this pan and movement, all the shortcuts we will talk in the another video. So this is just for interface, so I just want to make it as simple as possible. So unlike or there are lots bunch of lists of videos in the YouTube, I don't want to make videos like those videos. I just want to make it simple, and I should make you learn in a simple way. Okay, smart way is the better way, I always trust that. Okay, yeah. So as I said you just now, so I just want to make it simple, so I just made a simple video about the interface and how to download it. Okay, so I will tell you about everything that I have said before fastly, and I will close this video. Okay, so first of all, to download a Unity, you can go to the first, you can click, should search for the download Unity, and you should download the Unity Hub. Download Unity Hub. After that, go to the Unity Archive and select the version you want and click the Unity Hub, and it will take you to the Unity Hub automatically, and you can download it from there. And after that, open the Unity Hub, and you can create a project here by clicking the new project, select a template, give a name, give the location, and click the create. After creating, project will open like this. Here, this is a scene window, this is a game window, and scene window is like the objects which are present in the game, okay, not in the project. The objects which are present in the game you can see in the scene window, and game window is for testing the game, and hierarchy is for holding all the objects which are present in the scene window. Okay, you can see every object which are present in the scene window. And for the coming to the inspector holds the properties of the objects which are present in the hierarchy. Okay, so queue properties you can see here, directional light properties you can see here, main camera properties you can see here, like that. Okay, and down we have the project panel or project window, you can say window or panel, whatever it may be. So project window holds everything, every single data which is present in the whole game project. Okay, whole project itself, whole Unity project. Okay, you import everything to the project panel only, you can't import directly into the hierarchy or inspector. Okay, so this is a project panel, and after that there is a console window, and in the console window you can see already there is a warning. So if there is any warning or if there is any error which in the program you have written, then it will show here, and you can sort it out. Okay, you can debug it, and you can pretty much do everything in the console. Like if there is an error, if there is any warning, you can see here, and you can you can correct it. Okay, yeah. So this is all about the important components, how to download the Unity and introduction of the Unity. Okay, so in the next video we'll go through the basics, like how to take an object, what is a game object, and all. I will explain about these things. Okay, yeah. So yes, this is it for this video. So see you in the next video.